Hey guys, so if you have LG refrigerator and you have the error CLE, the thing is this is the communication error between the control panel and the main control board. So we're gonna have a control panel LG fridge, and then it's a problem between this and also the main control board LG. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to completely unplug it from the power source. Then you want to check the connection. So inspect all the wiring and the connectors between the control panel and the main control board. So when you're gonna have the control panel on LG fridge, you just want to look and check all the connections if there is any issue with wiring. So what you can do is that you can also reset the control panel by unplugging it for like 5 minutes. So unplug the whole fridge for 5 minutes or turn off the circuit board. And then what you need to do is that you could possibly like replace the control board. So just want to make this quick video on how you can possibly fix the issue, just like what it actually is, what you need to do, and that's it. So have a great day and goodbye.